Hey Dude, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool under here, and basically what this is a cordless stick vacuum. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so once you guys do open it up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. They do provide guys a bunch of accessories on here. So here is the first accessory. Right here we do have the next one. If you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like, which is basically a brush option. We do have the battery. So basically want to plug this in to actually activate the product. And right here in the bottom of the battery, they do have the option for you to plug it in to actually recharge it. And here we do have the button for you to change the different speed, which is probably the power button as well. Next up inside, they do provide you guys an extra filter if you guys need to change it. Next up inside, they do provide a little bag that you can use to store the accessory inside. Right here, you can see they do provide you guys the shaft or the pole if you guys do take it out. Once you guys do take out the bag, this is what the shaft looks like. And you see right here, they do have a folder to show you guys where to put each different part. So this is the handle part on top, and this is the bottom part. Next thing inside, they do provide the cable for you to plug it in to actually charge it. Next thing inside, we do have the bottom part of the vacuum. If you guys do take it out, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And you see right here, they do have the brand name. This part right here is rotatable, so you do have the option to turn left and right, and you do have the option to bring up and down, which is really convenient. So that way it's really hard to reach places, maybe underneath like a sofa or a couch or something. And if you guys want to bring it all the way up, it does lock up in a standing position, which is pretty cool. And pretty much on the top right here is where you guys want to insert the pole. Front part right here, we do have the LED light. And do have like the bumper design, so that way when you guys do bump it on the wall or something, it will protect it. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So right here we do have the wheel option for the glide really smoothly when you guys do use it. Right here we do have the brush option that will push it inside the vacuum when you guys do use it. And inside right here we do have the brush as well. And then for this part right here we do have the option for you to push it out. So that way you can take it out to wash it and clean it if you guys do need to. Once you guys are done, you can put it back inside and lock back in. And it's all set with that part. And right here in front we do have two roller wheels as well to help it glide really smoothly when you guys do use it. So that is basically what the bottom part looks like. Next thing inside, they do provide a little brush option that you can use to clean the product. That also comes with this blade option to help you guys cut off any hair that's on the product if there is any stuck. And last but not least, we do have the handle option. So I do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here is where you're gonna put it in the pole. Right here we do have the button for you to push to open up the bin. So just like this. Once you have it done, you can close back up. Top part right here we do have a button for you to push. And that will allow you guys to take out the dustbin if you guys do need to. So just like this. So if you guys want to take it out to clean it, feel free to do so. And inside right here, you can see we do have the filter option. So this is the first one that's provided for you guys. And the other one, like I showed you guys earlier, is a backup option. And then if you can see inside right here, there's multiple layers of the filter inside to help you guys filter out the dust when you guys do use it, which is pretty nice. But once you guys are done, you can close back up. Just like that. And then for this part right here, we do have the display screen to show you guys the power that you guys are using and to show you guys whether or not the product is working. Back part right here is where you can put in the battery. The back part right here, they do give you guys the option to hang it somewhere if you guys do need to. And here we do have the option for you to plug in the cable to recharge it. So really cool how they give you guys this option or the other option on the battery. So that way you can take out the battery to charge it if you guys want to charge it separately. And then right here on the side, you see we do have the button for you to turn it on and turn it off. And when you guys do feel the materials on here, it definitely feels really smooth. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's put everything together to show you guys what it looks like. So let's put this part first. Make sure it snaps in. Now let's go on the bottom part. Once you guys do that, you can put the battery in. And once you guys do fully set up, this is basically what the vacuum looks like. If you guys want to use any of the other heads, feel free to do so. It's actually very easy and very simple. You basically want to push a button right here to take it out. Once you guys take it out, you guys want to insert it in. And you can use like that if you guys do want to. So once you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to press the button at the bottom right here. And that basically turns it on. And then when you guys do turn it on, if you guys do look at the screen right here, it shows you guys the battery percentage. But I mentioned if you guys want to change the speed, you basically want to press this button at the bottom. So that is 1, that is 2, and that is 3. So depending on which speed you guys do use, the battery life that's on here is different. If you guys use it on the max speed, you guys can get around 20 minutes of usage. If you guys use it on the lower speed, you guys can get around 50 minutes of usage. So that is basically what the product looks like. Before she put this down on the ground to show you guys what she looks like, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So like I mentioned for the product, there's two different ways for you to charge it up. You have to plug it in here or the back. Let's try this one first. Alright, so once you guys do plug it in, and you see for the top part right here, it does show you guys that it's charging. So right now they're only 80%. Now try the other one. So let's do unplug it. If you guys plug it back, once you guys do plug it in, this back part right here does light up, and top part right here also lights up as well. And if you guys try to turn it on, it won't work when you guys do have it plugged in. And if you guys want to take out the battery, you basically want to push in this button in the bottom and pull it out really easily. Just like that. So that is basically how you guys do charge the product. Now let's put this on the ground to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so right here we do have the vacuum. If you see how it does stand up by itself, which is pretty cool. So I see my floor is very clean, so there's nothing for me to clean. But I do want to turn it on to show you guys what the product looks like and what it sounds like when you guys do use it. So let's bring it down. If you guys bring it all the way down, it does go pretty far down. If you guys want to turn left and right, you do have the option available as well. And like I mentioned, once you guys do turn it on, it does have a light option in front. So let's do turn it on. That is basically what the light looks like when you guys do turn it on. And if you guys do change the different speed on here, let me show you guys what it sounds like. So this is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So when you guys do use it, if you can see when you guys do use it, it works really well and actually glides on the floor really smoothly as well. And when you guys do feel materials on here, it definitely feels really high quality and super durable. And then once you guys are done, you guys bring it all the way up and just put this against the wall or something to store it, which is pretty awesome. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality cordless stick vacuum that give you guys the same design, same feature, and everything else I mentioned on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.